question is, are you ready? This is our Maestro Supremo.
Yes, I am.
Maestro Supremo. Today you're making the mushroom pizzas.
Yep.
And right now we are making...
We're making the bread right now.
Explain what's going to process.
So here's the whole process. So we have different pulp that we use
Different pulp.
from the juicer. So it
From
could
the
be
juicer.
juice, fruits and vegetables from the juicer.
There's no waste.
No waste at all. We
No
don't
waste at all.
We don't waste anything here. Everything goes into making more food here, so there's no waste. So it's 100% sustainable working formulation here. So this is plants, fruits and vegetables. We're gonna blend it up in here
With
with the flaxseed.
yeah, we have flaxseed and buckwheat. We soaked that for maybe 45 minutes, an hour.
Yeah, about half hour.
Look at that. Whoa.
That's the flaxseed, and here's the almost finishing product of
So
it.
we added just a little oil, right?
A little bit of oil, and I'm gonna go through the whole process right now. So this will be the bread, and we're gonna spread this out. We'll show the spreading process a little later. Okay. So we have the mixed fruits and vegetables. You're gonna put some of that in here. Then we add the flaxseed and buckwheat that's been soaked for about a half hour. Add that.
It's almost a 1-to-1 ratio.
About 2 cups of that.
2 cups of that to 2 cups of flaxseed and buckwheat.
Yeah, it depends on
Yeah.
how big your Cuisinart. If you're using a Cuisinart hair food processor.
Yeah.
And then we take about 4 ounces
4 ounces
of
of
oil here. And the reason why we use oil is to make sure that when we put it in the dehydrator, it all sticks together a little bit better.
Yeah.
Because if there's no oil, it's going to be very crispy and it's going to fall apart very easily.
And by the way, this has a shelf life of about a year.
Yeah, because it's dehydrated, so
Yeah.
all the liquid is taken out of it, so there's no moisture in it.
Wow.
So here we go.
Add a little water to it.
Yeah, add a little water, because sometimes you don't spin it properly. There we go. Gotta do this thing.
Yeah, we had no salt, no spices, just vegetables.
Just vegetables, but you can add salt and spices if you want to. If you want to do it.
Is it ready?
Maybe a little bit more. Add a little bit more water here.
Okay, this is live with Chef Supremo.
Yup.
Bye.
See you later.